Hey guys, Kyle from Anything Scout again. Welcome back. Here to talk about the drivability conversion on this 1964 Scout 80 that we Cummins R2.8 swapped. So for this 64 Scout 80, as all of our other builds, it got powder coated wheels, 33 1050 15s on a rough country 2.5 inch lift kit. The frame on this one was powder coated. We went through both front and rear axles, all new seals, new brakes front and rear. So we kept the stock bumpers on this one. The factory spare tire carrier stays. While we had it apart doing sheet metal work, after the metal work was finished, we scorpion lined the interior just for rust and weather protection. You can get it wet and muddy and not worry about corrosion to the sheet metal. The customer chose the Tuffy center console. We just cleaned up the factory dash, factory heater box, made sure everything was cleaned up nice, installed the retro sound stereo in the original dash beauty cover and fits great, and then scorpion lined the floors. And that was pretty basic for this truck. He already had the seats upholstered when the truck came to us. So on these R2.8 swaps, we have to relocate the radiator core support to fit the radiator and the intercooler, and just to get the engine to set where it needs to set with an AX15 transmission behind it. We powder coat all the pieces and epoxy prime all the pieces once the sheet metal work is finished. We use our Anything Scout R2.8 motor mounts and Cummins ECM mount at the back of the firewall. The body has to come off the chassis several times just for test fitting purposes when you're doing a swap like this. There's, like I said, a lot of metal work involved, and we try to keep it as clean and factory looking as possible. So if you're thinking about the Cummins R2.8 swap for your truck, on an 8800 platform, between the R2.8 and an LS, it's the same amount of work. All of this still has to move. There's a ton of sheet metal work involved. So if you're gonna do it yourself, or if you're gonna hire a shop to do it, make sure you've talked to that shop and you're comfortable with their abilities. This truck, like I said, is gonna get great gas mileage. These engines have somewhere between 160 and 170 horsepower and 300-ish foot-pounds of torque. It's plenty for a little Scout 80 like this. Like I said, the truck drives great. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Like, subscribe, comment. Let us know if you like the R2.8, if you don't like it. Till next time, guys. Thanks.